Ella's mother snored. Mom, you look tired.
My company has a lot of work. I have to finish this task. Otherwise, Mrs. Lulu will yell at me.
But I see you are sleepy. You should sleep early.
No way, Ella. I need to finish my task.
Mom, tomorrow is the parent meeting at school.
What? Is tomorrow Sunday?
That's right. Tomorrow is Sunday.
I got it. I will go. Ella, you should go to sleep first. I need to finish work.
I know, Mom. Mom. It's morning. Mom. Looks like Mom worked all night. No matter how I called her, she wouldn't wake up. There is a way. I'll turn on the heating. When it's too hot, Mom will wake up.
Remote activation.
Why is it so hot? It's terribly hot. It feels like I'm at a fire. A fire? Maybe this house is burning. Ella, there's a fire. Please wake up.
Mom.
Ella?
You wake up.
Why is this room so hot?
I turned on the heating.
Why did you do that?
I have to do that. You sleep too deep. I can't wake you up.
Ella, next time, you can't do that. This is very dangerous.
I got it.
But why did you wake me up?
Mom, do you forget? Today, you have a parent meeting at my school.
I remember. What time is it?
It's 9 a.m., Mom.
What time does the meeting start?
9:30 a.m., Mom.
What? I have to go now.
Today, I will talk about the students' result for last semester. So,
Evie, Evie, please wake up.
Miss Evie, did you lose sleep yesterday?
I'm sorry, I had a lot of tasks. So I worked overnight.
Let's continue the meeting. Thank you for attending today's meeting. I will send detailed information via email. Miss Evie, Miss Evie.
Hi, Teacher Ken.
The meeting ended.
Really? I fell asleep.
Miss Evie, I want to ask you. Please be honest.
What's up?
You hate me, don't you?
What are you saying? I don't hate you at all.
So why do you sleep during meetings?
I said I worked last night.
I hate when I'm talking and someone falls asleep. Miss Evie, please wake up.
Mom. I'm hungry.
I'm too lazy to make lunch. Ella, you buy a burger.
Convenience stores don't take cash anymore.
You take my card and buy it.
I know, Mom.
Wait, Ella. I forgot. You cannot buy anything other than a burger. Ella, wait. I should go with her. But I'm so sleepy.
Mom, I bought 2 burgers for you and me. I bought some cakes. Mom, are you sleeping?
Hello, Ella. Is Evie home?
Hello, Cora. My mom is at home.
I want to meet her.
Hi, Cora.
Hi, Evie. You know what? Our neighbors have. Evie, are you sleeping while I'm talking? Evie.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yesterday I had to work all night.
Really? You are so hard. Next is David's story. My husband just. Evie, please wake up.
Cora, you should go home. My mom is too tired. She is sleeping.
Evie, you don't respect me. Why are you sleeping while I'm talking? I hate you.
Hello, Mrs. Lulu?
Evie, your plan is all wrong.
What? I worked all night.
You entered the wrong data. I just checked it. Tomorrow is Monday. We have an important meeting with a client. You must revise your plan.
Mrs. Lulu, but today is Sunday. I want to rest.
I don't care. You must complete the plan.
Mom. You don't need to take me to school today. I can go by bus.
No way, Ella. Recently, the bus in our area is often delayed. You can be late.
But yesterday, you stayed up all night. I'm afraid you'll be tired.
I also go to work. I will take you to school.
Mom. Mom. Are you sleeping? Mom, wake up. It's dangerous. The car is being driven. I can't wake her up. If something happens, an accident will happen. Mom, please wake up. Waking her up didn't work. What should I do? I think this is the only way.
What is the smell? It is bad. Ella, did you fart? You are not allowed to fart in the car.
Mom. You have woken up. You fell asleep while driving. I have to wake you up.
Is there such a thing? It's all because of Mrs. Lulu.
Teacher Ken. Can I borrow your phone?
What do you want to do?
I have to call this person.
Hello.
Hello. Mrs. Lulu. I'm Ella.
Ella, you are Evie's daughter. We met before.
My mom almost caused an accident. Please don't make my mom work late anymore.
Is there such a thing?
That's right.
I got it. Thank you, Ella. Evie, Is she asleep? It seems like what Ella said. Ella was almost in danger. Luckily, she's okay.
Mrs. Lulu.
Evie, I'm sorry. I shouldn't request you to work overnight. You don't sleep enough. You almost caused a traffic accident.
Mrs. Lulu, how do you know?
Ella called me. She told me everything.
Did Ella call you?
She's very worried about you. Evie, you are so lucky. Ella is a good daughter. She cares for her mom. You can go home early. You should take a rest.
Thank you, Mrs. Lulu. Ella, thank you. You helped me.
If you like my channel, you can subscribe to watch more videos about my stories. Thank you very much.